this called?
So this is called the Samsung 20 Fan Edition or FE.
Okay.
This is going to be your basic, but it's pretty loaded as far as you have the 5G capability that you can either toggle it on or off. It has a 4,500 milliampere battery. It has a 32 megapixel camera, and you also have three ultra wide and your standard. Now the refresh rate on this one is 60 megahertz. These two here are your fast ones. You're going to be like 120. Let's see what else I can tell you about this phone. There's a multitude of different colors. These come in either one or two or three. This comes in about 8 different colors.
Nice starter phone, I mean, in a way, right?
Right.
Affordable and basically the lowest price.
Right. Now you also are going to get the super speed processor on this phone, as you will with these.
So, what is something that is bad about this one?
The only thing I could think of that wouldn't be as great as these two here is that these two here have all the bells and whistles. So, as I mentioned earlier, this has 32 megapixel camera. I believe this one has 48, and this one has.
This camera.
Yeah, the camera's gonna be a little bit different. This one has a 4,500 milliampere battery. This one's 4,000.
Okay, so which one is the 4,000? This one.
So this one's 4,000. This is just the plus, and this is the ultra.
The ultra, right? So again, the thing is like the key difference with this one and the others is just that
the RAM is going to be a little different.
The RAM is different.
So this is 6 and these are 12.
12. So I mean, it's good. So this one is just the basic one. Is the what is it called? The FE, right?
Correct.
So I mean, it's good to for the games and.
Yes, it is, and they're all waterproof, water resistant. IP proof, and they also have wireless charging.
One wireless charging.